Your first 16-color print will jam. Guaranteed. Here's why. For $1,099, the K2 Plus Combo promises 16-color printing, but the filament system can ruin your day. The 350 Superscript 3 build volume is huge for the price, letting you print large parts or multiple objects in one go. It's a genuine step up from typical 220mm or 256mm beds, and the sturdy matrix frame keeps things rigid at speed. The Core XY design with step servo motors hits 600mm/s and 30,000mm/s Superscript 2 acceleration, real numbers that cut print times noticeably. In practice, a 0.2mm layer height benchy came out in under 20 minutes, which is impressive for a machine this size. The actively heated chamber is a game changer for ABS and nylon. No more warping or drafts ruining tall prints. It's a feature usually found on $1,500 plus printers, so Creality is undercutting the competition here. The dual AI cameras actually work. They catch spaghetti failures and foreign objects, pausing prints before they turn into a bird's nest. The time-lapse feature is a nice bonus for sharing your builds. Full auto leveling with dual Z-axis motors and a strain gauge means first layers are consistently perfect, no manual fiddling. This is a huge quality of life win, especially for beginners who hate leveling. Here's what you get. Enjoy printing in multiple colors. By hooking up as many as 4 CFS units together, you are able to print in the splendor of 16 colors. Saves the need for extra painting afterward. With Creality Automatic Material System, intelligent management of multiple filaments, high-speed printing, step servo motor system 30,000mm/s Superscript 2 acceleration, 40mm Superscript 3/s high flow, and quiet. For a large format machine, 600mm/s is pretty fast, but that's not the whole story. Turbocharged by the step servo motors, it can accelerate at a staggering 30,000mm/s Superscript 2 and multi-material capability. K2 Plus Combo equipped with actively heated chamber and high-temp nozzle with hardened steel tip unlocks a wider selection of materials, including PLA/ABS/PACF/PLACF/PET/ASA/PPACF. The CFS, Creality Filament System, is finicky. Filament loading fails often, especially with stiff materials like PLACF, and the PTFE tubes kink easily. Expect to babysit the first few spools. This is not set and forget despite the marketing. At $1,099, the K2 Plus Combo costs more than a Bambu Lab P1S with AMS, which offers similar multicolor capability and a more mature software ecosystem. The K2's Creality print slicer feels clunky, with occasional crashes and poor profile updates. The 3.9-star rating on Amazon, 905 reviews, tells a story. Users report inconsistent print quality out of the box, with some needing to replace nozzles or tighten belts immediately. It's not the most reliable out-of-box experience at this price. The dual AI cameras are a bit of a gimmick. The chamber camera has a narrow field of view and struggles in low light, missing failures unless they're right in front of it. The external camera is a separate purchase, which feels cheap for a $1,099 flagship. The K2 Plus Combo is a powerful large-format printer that undercuts rivals on specs, but the CFS reliability and software polish hold it back. If you're patient and willing to tinker, it's a solid value. Otherwise, a Bambu Lab P1S combo is safer for the same money. Check the latest price for the K2 Plus Combo in the link below, and tell me if your CFS jammed on the first print in the comments.